In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a yes/no dropdown in Google Sheets. Stop letting people type whatever they want into your spreadsheet. A simple yes/no dropdown keeps your data clean, consistent, and easy to analyze. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you can set it up in just a minute. Start by highlighting the cells where you want the menu to appear. This can be a single cell, a range, or even an entire column if you want the same choice everywhere. Take a moment to be intentional here. Only select the cells where yes/no truly makes sense, like a status column, a completed checkbox replacement, or an approval field. With your cells selected, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Dropdown. This action opens the Data Validation Rules panel on the right side of your screen, which is where we'll define exactly what users can pick. Under Criteria, make sure Dropdown is selected. Now, add your two options. Type Yes for the first option and No for the second. Keep the wording consistent. Capitalization matters when you're scanning a sheet later. To make it more readable at a glance, add colors to each option. Green for yes and red for no is a clear, professional choice that instantly communicates meaning. These colors will show up in the cell as soon as someone makes a selection, which is great for quick reviews and reports. When you're happy with how it looks, click Done. That's it. From now on, anyone using those cells can only choose from your list. They'll see a small drop-down arrow in each cell, and when they click it, they'll get the yes and no options you set. This is fast, colorful, and prevents mistakes. No more typos like yay, okay, or approved sneaking into your data. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most from this. If your sheet already has mixed entries, the dropdown won't rewrite them automatically. It simply controls what can be chosen going forward. If someone clicks the wrong option, they can change it by opening the dropdown again, or you can undo the last action. Color coding isn't just for looks. It makes sorting, scanning, and auditing faster, especially in larger spreadsheets. And that's all you need to create a polished yes/no dropdown in Google Sheets. Clean inputs, consistent results, and clearer insights with just a few clicks.